Thank you so much sa aking accompaniment. Thank you, Zyron, yung Lodi Idol. So next song, another popular song way back 90s. One of the best eras of music. It's ano bang title na? Rolling. It's TGIF Friday. As usual, soundcheck music. Merong gig. Meron ako set list this time. Kaya tingnan, tara, kanta tayo. Alright, OPM naman. Tol. Pilit mang abuti ng mga tala. Basta't sa akin huwag kang mawawala. If I took those words away, then you couldn't make things new. Just by saying I love you. Okay, another next song. Again, I think this is the 80s. Yan, ano ba tayo katanda? 80s. And we're hungry. Love will keep us alive. When we're hungry po, kain lang tayo. Marami pag order tayo. And I don't know how I knew it, but I knew it somehow. You're the answer to the question no one answered till now. And I don't know what you see in me. Girl, it's nothing new what I see in you. Someone who needs me the way I need you. Someone to show me a way that it's true. Someone to love me the way that I love you. I found out, scared to know, always on your mind. Even the best fall down sometimes. Even the wrong words seem to rhyme. Out of the darkness fills my time. Somehow find you and I collide. Yun. Thank you. So I hope you like it. Dad, Shay Martin out. If you ever change your mind, I still